Hi everyone, just a bit of an update. So I thought, you know what, I want to try the sound as well. So I've actually linked up the input onto my TV. Let me just show you actually before I get onto this bit. You can see there's obviously another input into the TV, which is audio in. On the back of the ST, it's pin 1 that's audio out. So I've made an assumption that the ground is going to be the same as the composite in. So I've not actually put another ground wire onto the audio in. So it's actually the yellow one, which is a bit confusing. So the yellow one is audio, white one is the composite into the TV screen. So that's all ready to go. So what I've done, I've actually used Grease Weasel, and I've actually burned an image to floppy. So this is actually Lombard Rally, but what I wanted a game that had a crack-tro intro so I can test the sound, because obviously I've got no mouse or joystick, and I just want the sound to start automatically. So I'll just grab my disc. This is literally the first time that I'm trying this. Really sorry about the junky setup. I'm going to try and get my gimbal out and do something for the next one. It's very off the cuff today, but yeah, so I've put the floppy in, and let's switch on and see what happens. I'll give that floppy a real good clean with that cleaning disc as well. So there we go. Okay, so just zoom into the screen there so you can see what I'm looking at too. So it's boot sector Guardian. Sounds like the disc is now loading, and it's not. It's saying I'm not infected by any virus, which is always good to hear. So I'll just press return, hoping it's going to start loading the disc now. We will see. There we go. So we do have audio. Pretty funky intro there. I'm not sure if we can get any further than this at the moment, and on Amiga generally you have to press the left button to get the game going. Don't know anything about Atari, so hang on, let's just see. No, looks like I do need a mouse or something to get going. Oh no, I've pressed space. Well, I've pressed the little stubby bit that's there for the space. It looks like it's loading now, so let's see if actually Lombard Rally loads up. Hey, looking good. I've never played this on the Atari ST. I'm just scooting up here now to my Rally Championship collection that I've got. So I've actually got a Lombard Rally, you can see there. But that's the Amiga version. I've never played it on the Atari. That'd be actually interesting to compare them. I think in the future what I might actually do, I might have the ST on the one side and the Amiga on the other side, and maybe do a comparison to be pretty interesting. But yeah, I think I'm going to need a joystick or a mouse to get any further. So I don't know if that's just errored out. It might be the disc. It was an old disc, to be honest. But yeah, everything seems okay. Disc is reading nice as well, which is great. So yeah, awesome. Another box ticked. Thanks for watching.